I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. If you have a garden or a friend with a garden, you may have an abundance of fresh vegetables right now. I found myself with some zucchini and I decided we'd use that for today's video. I love zucchini served just about any way. Last summer, I shared my recipe for zucchini boats. I love zucchini in pasta sauce. I love zoodles. I love it just about any way you can prepare it. Today, I thought about making some zucchini bread, but that wasn't exactly what I wanted. So, I found a recipe for zucchini bread with a twist. I can't wait to try this recipe. Today, we're going to make lemon poppy seed zucchini bread. Let's get started. First, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees. I've washed up this lemon, and now we're going to zest it. After it's zested, we're going to cut this lemon in half and juice it. Now we're going to need a big old bowl. I'll whisk together 2 eggs, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, our beautiful lemon zest, and we'll need about 3 tablespoons of that fresh lemon juice. Next, we'll add 1 cup sugar, and I'm going to whisk this mixture until it's well blended. Now we'll add a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now we'll whisk again until that's blended. If you guys ever watched the episode of Schitt's Creek where David and Moira were trying to fold in the cheese, then you'll appreciate this next step. We're going to fold in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll add a little bit and then just kind of turn it over. Fold it. Then we'll add a little more. Fold it. We want to just keep working this until we don't see any more dry pieces of flour. About like that. Next, I'm going to start grating the zucchini. I'm going to need about 2 cups of the grated zucchini. That comes out to be almost exactly 2 medium-sized zucchini. Next, we're going to need 3 tablespoons poppy seeds. I don't want to have an accident with these, so I'm going to measure them out into a small bowl first. Once again, we're back to folding. We just want to fold in that zucchini and the poppy seeds. Next, we're going to need a loaf pan. I'm going to give that a light coating of baking spray. Don't forget the sides. This is not the most beautiful batter in the world, but I just know it's going to taste great. Let's go ahead and get that into our loaf pan. And now this is ready to go in our oven for 1 hour. Now would be the perfect time to go tap the like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Somewhere between 55 and 60 minutes later, I'm pulling this beauty out of the oven. We'll sit this aside for about 10 minutes to let it start cooling down. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to transfer this to a plate so that it can finish cooling. Now we're going to give this a little more time to cool down before we put our glaze on top. I'm going to place 1.5 cups powdered sugar into a bowl. Next, I'm going to start adding a little bit of lemon juice, just a little at a time, and we'll stir that in. Altogether, we're probably going to need about 3 tablespoons. Ultimately, we want our consistency to be a glaze, about like that. Now we'll sit this aside and wait for our bread to finish cooling. Once this feels completely cool, we're going to add our glaze. Ooh wee, that's pretty now. Looks great. I think I'm going to go for a center piece. Lemon explosion. Guys, that's delicious. This lemon poppy seed zucchini bread exceeded my expectations. I hope you're going to love it too. I truly hope you have a fantastic week ahead. I'm going to be back with you again real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.